Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bernice. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. Anyway, I decided to go with this really pretty natural kind of look and then just throw on a bold shadow. I did use the Beauty Creations palette. All of the colors are in this palette right here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So if you want to see how I got this pretty look very quickly, please keep on watching. For moisturizer, I just got out of the shower. So for the moisturizer, I used this from Dr. Denise. Skin Science, my mother-in-law put me up on game. For primer, I'm going to use this one. It's a moisturizer too, but you can use it underneath your makeup. It has SPF in it, and it's really good. So it's like a moisturizer. And my skin's been feeling really dry here in Colorado, so I'm just going to pack that on and use it as a... Okay, here we are back. I did my eyebrows so quick, you guys. I want to use really soft colors, but then like a bold color. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by, I just used, I'm using this color right here. I guess I could use this mirror. So I'm gonna go in with a darker shade now in my crease, and I'm using just the color right above that one. That brown one, right in my crease. I'm using the same brush. You can use fancy brushes or different ones. I really have to go through my boxes. I still have boxes. I haven't even set up anything, but anyway, I just moved from Arizona to Colorado. I was explaining that on my first video, my Spanish one. And it's been so nice. So we're just gonna do that. Yeah, it's kind of unreal to me to be living where there's like snow because I'm so used to like the heat. And I love it here so far. Colorado's been great. I'm just gonna clean my... Okay. We were going out to eat because we were so excited. A lot of places we don't have back at home. So we were like trying different things and then started getting expensive. So we were like, okay, let's not do that anymore. Better start cooking. But I love cooking. So I'm gonna go in with an eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. And I'm gonna take this color here, this green one. Yep. These colors from this palette are so pretty. I really want to start vlogging and showing you guys around, you know. I think that's really pretty. Right, just to kind of mix both of those colors in. And it's that darker shade. Glue on my lashes. I forget, and then I go without lashes. We look dewy plus a smooth look from Maybelline, and I am in the shade Soft Tan. And if I'm not, oh well. I just got this one. No, pues ya me acabé la pinche botella. Just kidding. This wet sponge and smooth all this out. Yeah, I think it's my color. So now I'm gonna go in with that Maybelline New York in Sand Sable. My eyes. Head and smudge it out with my Airspun. I love this powder. We're gonna just put it right underneath our eyes for a little bit. Dust this away. The top of my cheeks with my e.l.f. with this shade down here. Just to kind of get some nice color on my face. A little bit on my nose. And use the Wet n Wild. Just a little bit. On the apples of my cheeks. Oh yeah, I like that. I love blush. I'm gonna go ahead and use these photo focus. Just go in and put some on the high points of my face. This highlighter is so pretty. It's the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, and it's so inexpensive, guys. I feel like it goes with everything. Beverly Hills lipstick in Peachy Matte. Just a little bit on top of our lips. Oh yeah, just to kind of give it a glossy look rather than. All right, you guys, and this is the finished look. So I hope you like this video. Already, I gotta go, so see you guys next time. Bye.